Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital currencies. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to send USDT from Paybis in 2025. If you're new here, USDT is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a favorite for quick and secure transactions. Paybis is a user-friendly platform for buying, selling, and managing crypto, and with the 2025 updates, it's even more streamlined. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a Paybis account set up. If you don't, head over to their website, sign up, and verify your identity. It's quick and essential for security. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Look for the Wallets or Assets section. That's where you'll find your USDT balance. Step 2. Select USDT from your list of assets. You'll see options to deposit, withdraw, or send. Click on Send or Withdraw. Depending on the interface in 2025, it might be labeled differently, but it's intuitive. Now, enter the recipient's wallet address. Double-check this, folks. A wrong address could mean lost funds forever. Also, specify the amount you want to send, and don't forget to check for any network fees. USDT usually runs on Tron or Ethereum, so pick the right network to avoid issues. Next up, review your transaction details. Paybis will show you a summary, including the amount, fees, and final recipient. If everything looks good, hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation code or email. Keep that safe. The transaction should process in minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. A quick word of advice: always enable two-factor authentication on your Paybis account to protect against scams. And remember, crypto is volatile, so only send what you're comfortable with. There you have it. That's how to send USDT from Paybis in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.